Yeah, 6 over match ongoing. Yeah, first ball. Great shot from Bhavik. Will this be a 2 runs? Definitely two. Bhavik will run for two. They have to run fast. Manas can go for three. No, they will just take two. Lovely running actually. Oh my God, no backup. 2 runs in very first ball. केडिया जी मैच के टाइम है अंडर 15 आएगा ना यार ये अपने गलती कर दी एक्चुअली अंडर 15 या फर्स्ट बॉल फ्रॉम निखिल एंड नो बॉलर वाज प्रणव सॉरी या सॉरी वी आर नॉट लाइव स्टिल सुजीत सुजीत लाइव है राजू लगा है मैच सर आए Pranav Valecha to Bhavik Kataria. Bhavik on two on a very first ball. Good ball actually. Good ball actually from Pranav. Score is 2. Oh, well played, Bhavik. Will he get two? Definitely yes. Lovely batting. Can they get third run? Yeah, they can come for three. No, they are tired now. Actually, good batting and good bowling, Pranav. Actually, score is 4 now of 3 balls. Score is 4 of 3 balls. Pranav bowling a good line actually. Bhavik on 4 of 3 balls. It's a 6 over match actually. Bhavik will face Pranav now. Score is 4. Score is 4 now. Please slow. Volume should be under control, Mr. Chawla. Chawla? Mr. Chawla, so volume control kare please. We are getting disturbed. We are way to. So I'm sorry, but thank you. Anyways, fourth ball from Pranav. Good shot here. Will they take single? Yes, at least a single. No. Oh my God, they are running for second. Oh my God. Oh yes, the throw. Overthrow actually, not on stump. Well try actually. Good throw. Bad luck. Score is 6 now of 4 balls. Give a call and run. 6 of 4 balls now. Pranav will bowl the fifth ball to Bhavik. Score is 6 of 4 balls. Fifth ball from Pranav Valecha to Bhavik Kataria. Well played here. Bhavik will take single. Oh, good fielding, my dear youngster. Lovely fielding, you guy. Awesome fielding. Oh, shit. Again overthrow. Score is 8 now. What are you doing, Kadas? Your owner is coming, yeah? Hold on, please, umpire. Sujit has some problem, technical problem with Sujit, actually. Score is 8 now of 5 balls. Please hold on. सारा जमाना एसपीएल का दीवाना. If Ponty Caterers win the match, Amit will take them to Goa live on Zoom. Yeah, score is 8 now. Are we okay, Sujit? Please hold on, umpires. Please hold on. Ready? Sujit, ready? Ready, yeah. Here we go. Last ball from Pranav. Good shot, actually. Will they take single? Yeah. Score is 9 now. Good fielding, actually. जी अपडेट हो जी नो नो स्कोर क्या हो सुजीत सुजीत स्कोर सुजीत ओवर स्कोर क्या है नो वो थ्रो उसके पहले स्कोर 9 हो जाएगा, एक मिनट रुक, स्कोर 9 होगा, राइट? स्कोरिंग मिस्टेक एक्चुअली, स्कोर इज 9। स्टार्ट द गेम। 1 ओवर 9 रन, भाई कौन 9, पूरा स्कोर वाइक का ही एक्चुअली, पूरा स्कोर वाइक का ही 9। यहाँ पे क्या अपडेट नहीं आ रहा क्या? अरे भाविक का 9 है पूरा। मैं कितने हो गया भाविक के। हेलो, ओके, गुड शॉट भाविक, they will take single, good fielding yaar, lovely fielding you guy, awesome throw, good bowling। अभी ओके हो गया, राइट सुजीत, थैंक यू सुजीत। Score is 10 now. Manas Kalani. Today it is the birthday. He is a captain. Happy birthday, Captain Manas, to take the strike now. Oh my God! It will be a slight misfield actually. It's yes. Any remark? It's a leg by actually. Leg by. Score is 11 now. 1.2. 11. 1.2. 11. Toss won by newborn ticketters and opted to bat actually. क्या हो गया? Okay. Throw ball, objection. So then umpire will decide what to be done. Acha, okay. Meet has been objected by the batsman. Umpire will take a decision. What is to be done? Amit in tension. No need to take tension if your intentions are clear actually. Hello, bacha. You are hungry or angry? Hungry or angry? Both. Yes. To ball, bowler is changed or you'll same bowler? Score is 11 of 8 balls. ओवर हम ले जाए हाँ जी सुजीत बुलाए बेटा आपको। Sorry, what happened? By Nikhil. Nikhil na? Krishna Ubrani will ball the balance 4 balls. Batsman is Bhavik. 1.211. Second over in progress. Yeah. Good shot from Bhavik. Will they get 2? Yes, definitely 2. They may come for second. They may go for third. Oh, it's a slight misfield and it's a boundary, I think. What is that, umpire? Please check. Please check. देना ही कोणते हरी कोई देना ही कोणते what is that? It's a boundary declared by umpire Sujit. Achha, they ran 4 runs. Oh my God, how can you run 4 runs? Can you reply? Yeah, score is 15. 1.315. Lovely shot from Bhavik. Great shot from Bhavik. Score is 15 now. Krishna Ubirani bowling his second ball to Bhavik. Score is 15 now. Krishna's second ball, Raju. Krishna's. Oh, good fielding, my dear. Lovely. You can see a great display of match actually here by kids. Lovely, lovely batting. Lovely, lovely fielding. Lovely batting. Lovely bowling. Lovely bowling. And Billy Borden is called for doing his umpireship. He came from New Zealand right now this morning. He landed in Oger. Score is 16 now. Oh, good shot actually again. Will they get 2 at least? At least 2 sure. Definitely they come for 2. Good throw actually. But can't stop 2 runs. Score is 18 now. Bhavik on 15 of 9 balls. Last ball in progress. Score is 18. 1.518. Current run rate is 9.82. Meet will ball. Oh, sorry. Krishna will ball the last ball. Krishna will ball the last ball of his over to Bhavik. Shot again. Oh my God, he dropped the catch. Did he drop the trophy? Did he drop the trophy? Oh my God, hard luck. Lovely, these kids are playing excellent game. Score is 20. Okay. Nikhil Sanjay Balani. He is the finest bowler actually from of the tournament. In last match he bowled really well. Now two stars actually. Nikhil versus Bhavik. Nikhil Balani versus Bhavik Kataria. Score is 20 in 2 overs. Bhavik will face Nikhil now. Ronit is come here. Ronit, we want to hear your chief guest for a match. Ronit Sasdev. Yes, Ronit, come here. We need a commentary. Come, Ronit. Score is 20 now. Yeah, Nikhil will start the third over to Bhavik. Good shot from Bhavik. What a shot. What a planned shot. Can he get two? Can he get two? I think it's a boundary. I think it's a boundary. Yes. Is it a boundary? Yes, it's a boundary. Bhavik playing a sensible knock actually.
प्लीज बाहर आओ, ऑरेंज टी शर्ट में कौन है, बाहर आओ प्लीज, स्टार्ट द गेम प्लीज। नए ओवर की शुरुआत, न्यू बाउंटी कैटरर्स का स्कोर हो चुका है 32 रन बिना कोई विकेट खोए 3 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद। भावेक कटारिया खेल रहे हैं अपने निजी 26 रनों पे, बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी, केवल 14 गेंदों का सामना किया है, 3 चौके लगाए हैं। मानस कालानी खेल रहे हैं 5 रनों पे। निखिल संजय बालानी ने 1 ओवर डाला है, 12 रन खर्च किए हैं। और कृष्णा उबरानी ने 1 ओवर डाला है, 9 रन खर्च किए हैं। बॉलर नेम प्लीज। युवल हेमनानी रहेंगे अगले बॉलर। युवल हेमनानी अपने ओवर की शुरुआत करते हुए, उनके सामने है भावेक, भावेक कटारिया, दोनों क्लासमेट्स हैं ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन मिली है। भावेक, युवल 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 हेमनानी अपनी पहली गेंद करने के लिए तैयार, उनके सामने है मानस। अच्छी गेंद, हल्का सा फ्लिक किया है बॉलर, बॉलर के ठीक पास से, गेम जा रही है बाउंड्री की 30 यार्ड सर्किल के इधर। 1 रन पूरा किया, दूसरे रन के लिए भाग रहे हैं। और 2 रनों से और तीसरे रन के लिए ओवर थ्रो के लिए आए भी आएंगे। तीसरा रन भी आसानी से, और चौथा रन भी मिलेगा, पांचवा भी मिलेगा। गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर जाती, बाउंड्री लाइन की तरफ जाती हुई। 5 रन दौड़ लिए, 5।
SPL, yes, Ember. 1 run shot. 5 run, 5. It's a Khamsa, Panja, Boja. 5 runs. It's a record of SPL 4. First Panja of the match. Of kids under 15.
न्यू बाउंटी कैटरर्स का स्कोर हो चुका है 37 रन्स बिना कोई विकेट खोए। 3.1 ओवर्स का खेल खत्म हो चुका है। भावेक कटारिया खेल रहे हैं 26 रनों पे, मानस कालानी खेल रहे हैं 10 रनों पे। युवल हेमनानी अपनी दूसरी गेंद करने के लिए तैयार, उनके सामने है भावेक। और जोर से उठाने की कोशिश की, उठा के मारने की कोशिश की, बीट हुए, कोई रन नहीं, कोई नुकसान नहीं। गेंद वापस बॉलर के पास से हो, बॉलर के पास अगली गेंद करने के लिए तैयार युवल हेमनानी। अच्छी गेंद, हल्का सा फ्लिक किया बॉलर एंड की तरफ, कोई रन नहीं, कोई नुकसान नहीं। गेंद वापस बॉलर के पास आती हुई स्कोरबोर्ड पे लग चुका है 37 बिना कोई विकेट खोए। और कट कर दिया है, 1 रन के लिए बैट्समैन दौड़े, दूसरा रन भी लेना चाहते हैं और आसानी से पूरा कर लेंगे। 2 रनों से स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 39 पे, 39 विदाउट लॉस इन 3.4 ओवर्स। भावेक कटारिया खेल रहे हैं 28 रनों पे, मानस खेल रहे हैं 10 रनों पे। अगली गेंद युवल करने के लिए तैयार, उनके सामने है भावेक। अगली गेंद, और ये छूट गई विकेट कीपर से भी। गेंद जा रही है बाउंड्री की तरफ, दूसरा रन पूरा किया और वाइड का इशारा एम्पायर द्वारा। स्कोर बोर्ड में इजाफा, स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 42 पे, 42 विदाउट लॉस इन 3.4 ओवर्स। वाइड का इशारा था एम्पायर का। भावेक कटारिया पहुंचे 28 पे, मानस पहुंचे हैं 10 पे। 3.4 ओवर्स का गेम हो चुका है। न्यू बाउंड्री कैटर्स, अच्छी गेंद और मानस। अगली गेंद युवल, और हल्का सा फ्लिक किया है बॉलर की तरफ से, बॉलर की एंड की तरफ। 1 रन के लिए दौड़े बैट्समैन, 1 रन पूरा किया, स्कोर पहुंच गया है 43 विदाउट लॉस 3.4 5 ओवर का गेम खत्म। आखिरी गेंद युगल के लिए तैयार। ओवर की समाप्ति बाकी है क्या? अच्छा
नहीं,
ओके, चेंज
गोल
कर
बाकी है।
ना पूरा दे 43 4 ओवर्स के बाद। ओवर टू सुनील।
थैंक यू। हेलो हेलो हेलो, ये 43 in 4 overs. 43 in 4 overs. Hello, yes, 43 in 4 overs. Fifth over in progress. Forty-three. Actually, good score. Actually, balanced score, not a good score. They can even do it. Yeah. Good shot from Manas Kalani. Oh, they will get 2 runs. They will come for third. Football. Football. Leg umpire. Hey, football.
हेलो हेलो
Football. Hey, football. थोड़ा बाहर दे.
चेक।
Score is 45 now. Fifth over in progress. Sorry? Nikhil. Yeah. 43 and 2, 45. 4.1, 45. Yuval coming on to the offside and Nikhil moving on to leg side. Really hats off to
Hello,
these
hello.
kids for really hard work actually. I was playing a match in the afternoon, but I was unable to play. I couldn't field a single ball. So really hats off to the guys who are playing. Score is 45, 4.1. Good shot will be a white ball actually. 46.
हेलो
Manas Kalani
हेलो
playing a sensible innings. Manas Kalani playing sensible innings. Score is 46. 11 balls to go actually for New Bonty. Score is 46 now. 4.1. Again, wide actually. 47. He's bowling a great line, Pranav actually. He's bowling at a good pace. Good cheer up by score
Hello,
is
hello.
40. Yeah. 47 score. हाँ बेटा. Thank you. Score is 47, 4.1. Huh? Oh, good ball here from Pranav. Good comeback actually from Pranav. Manas Kalani. Good shot actually. Will be a single at least. Good fielding. Yes, 40. Forty-eight. Forty-eight. 4.3. Shot, Bhavik. Will this be 2 runs? Definitely a 4, I think. No. At least 2 runs. Can be 3 runs. No. Bhavik is tired. Really, it's difficult to run. Really difficult to run. 40. I think 50 now. Sujit? No, runners allowed in actually. Runners not allowed. Sorry. It is 50 up. Clap for this junior toddlers. 50 up in 4.4. Bhavik is on 31. Can he make his individual 50? 31 of 19 balls. 4.450. 8 balls to go now. Next ball from Pranav Walecha. It's a what is that? Good ball actually. Great ball from Pranav. Good comeback. Last ball from Pranav. Bhavik on 31 of 20 balls. Manas on 13 of 9 balls. 44 and 6 extras. 50 up. Last ball of 5th over now. Score is 50. Last ball. Good shot actually. Good shot. Will that be a boundary? Can they get 2? They can come back. Oh yes, they can get 3rd run I think. Bhavik going, Manas running for third. Oh my God. Yes, they are claiming third. Score is 53. Well, score is 53 now of 5 overs. So Bhavik is on 34. He will take the strike again. He needs more 16 runs for his 50. 16 runs for his 50 now. 2 overs completed by Pranav. 19 runs. Actually good bowling, frankly speaking. Yeah, what a break. Fire brigade for stomach. Hmm? 53 now. Score is 53 of 5 overs. Shot from Bhavik. What a shot. Will to the boundary. Yes. Oh, they killed Sanjay Balani to Bhavik Kataria. He is I think he's claimed the catch. They are running two. They are running two. What is that? It's out. It's a wicket actually. Well played, Bhavik. Hard luck to you. Good shot. Will this be single? Whoa, he fielded the ball. Good fielding, Rishi. Score is 10 of 10 balls now. Anish playing on 9 of 8 balls. Great bowling from Rishi. Good fielding by Rishi. Score is 10 of 10 balls. Good ball. Oh, what was that, umpire? Oh my God, Anish is gone. What a stumping, Bhavik. Great piece of work, Rishi and Bhavik. Over change 42 required of 12 balls now. I think Manas will get the ball. Chance to ball. He is captain. He is birthday boy. Manas Kalani. Manas Kalani will be bowling to. No, Nikhil was on strike. Over change होना sir. Nikhil will change the strike na. Nikhil paid the ball na bhi. Empire. Dot ball last ball na. Fast, fast. Your uncles are waiting. Santosh. Two overs, sir. Good ball actually. Fast, Mike. Fast, chalo fast. No ball, Mike. Fast. It's a free hit. 2 runs. 41 required of 12 balls. 41 required of 12 balls now. Nikhil, you to strike the ball hard actually. 41 required of 12 balls. Bonti owner looking cool now. And the coach Jitesh Nagdev, sense of happiness seen on the face actually. Oh my God, good shot. They'll get 2. No. Fielder is great fielding there. 40 required of 11 balls now. Fast please. Bhavik, your team do fast. We have one more match to go, Manas. Fast bowling, beta. Chalo, fast. Come on, please. Thank you. 40 required in 11. All boundaries mostly. All boundaries actually now. 40 required of 11 balls now. Manas Kalani. Great ball. Yeah, lovely shot. Good fielding. Good throw. Oh my God. Yes, they are good backup actually. Oh, this Genani. Oh my God. What is that? Again DRS? It's a DRS again. Bat? हवा में okay. अरे धूप में निकला न करो रूप की रानी, काला रंग गोरा न पड़ जाए. Yes, Empire. Please set your field, Bhavik, immediately. Manas, please be ready. Don't waste time, please. What the result is, bowl fast. One more match to go actually. Next level, we'll go to next level if they win. अरे धूप में निकला न करो. Yes. क्या हुआ? Not out. It's not out actually. Yeah, okay, done. Lovely shot here. At least 2. Oh my God. Will you boundary? Yes, definitely yes. Definitely yes. It's a boundary. Great shot actually from Nikhil. Lovely shot, Nikhil. Great shot. Home agencies, get ready to field now, please. 39. Nice. Sorry, balls please, yeah. 35 now actually in 9 balls. Tough, but they can come back. Ek do no ball, they are back to the game actually. Good shot, Nikhil. At least 2, Nikhil. Yes. Genani throws the ball and they take 2 easily, quite easily 2. 33 required of 7 balls now. $33 required of yes ball. Balls to go. Last ball actually, yeah, last ball. हरिओम क्या अभी आए ना सुबह आया पूछते रहो. अच्छा कहाँ पे? Okay, 33 required of 6 balls. Jitesh, you be cool now, yaar. Mr. Nagdev, coach. Yes. Please fast, Bhavik. Please go fast. Last over, please. Go fast. Hey, कौन है ये? छोटू, येलो बॉय. अरे तंजो हुई है ना राम जो खंड ना गंपू पुत्र. अरे कम ऑन, कौन है बच्चे दोनों भाई? कम ऑन, बाहर आओ, चलो. Play fast, come on, Bhavik. Don't waste time. Manas, Kalani, fast, beta. Set your field. 33 required of 6 balls. Come on. Bowler is नहीं भाई कहोगे दो करोगे. दर्श मनीष बगनानी. अरे ये टीम तो फाइनल आ गई ना. कल कल ऐसा भी कल. Good ball actually. We'll get at least 2, I think. 1, 2, yeah. 31 required in. It's a white ball? No ball actually. Oh my god. They are back to match. Back to match, yes. Very bad decision from the. 30 required in 6 balls now. 30. It's a free hit. 30 required of 6 balls. It's a free hit. It's a free hit. Please do it fast here. You are taking long time. Magnani to Darsh Manish Magnani. Manish used to be one of the finest bowler actually. Lovely bowling. Good comeback actually, Darsh. Good action from you. 30 now required of 5 balls. All sixes. Just bowl a straight ball. मार नहीं दो चौका. 20 आएगा, 10 से जीतोगे. खेलो. Play. 30 required of 5 balls. Darsh. Good shot actually. We'll get 2 definitely. Yes, definitely 2. Ball back. No ball again. No ball again. 27 record of 5 balls. Come on. This is called bad luck for Bounty Caters. If 4 no balls, more 4 no balls, they are out of the game. 27 required of 5. Very bad decision. It's a final match. You can play with it. Good ball actually. Wide 26 required in 5 balls. What a mistake done by the captain actually. You can't try in finals anything. Daksh Manish Magnani. Yeah, come on Daksh, you can do it. 26 required in 5 balls. Just ball straight. Actually, Goral should have balled this over actually. Good ball now. Yes. It's a yes ball. 26 required of 4 balls now. Darsh, lovely line now from you. 26 required of 4 balls now. Good comeback from you. Nikhil wanting him to hit the ball. Nikhil. 26 required of 4 balls now. Darsh again. Good shot. Will they get a single? At least 25 required of 3 balls now. Good comeback by Darsh actually. 25 required of 3 balls. 25 required of 3 balls now. Darsh, lovely run up actually. 1, 2, 3, die. Good shot, Nikhil. Will they get single? They can claim 2. No, they won't come for 2. Nikhil will be on risk. Nikhil won't take a risk, I know. 24 required of 2 balls. Amit, next to congratulations. Home agencies, get ready for your field now. 24. कितना चाहिए? 22 ना? 24. Last 2 balls to go now. Last ball now. Good bowling actually. Home agencies, set your field ready, please. Yes. Toss won by next level decided to bat now. And that's just a formality. Winners of the finals of SPL 4 under 15 is New Bounty Caters, Mr. Amit Rohra.